Hello friends, in this video I will show how to use the DNS over HTTPS privacy feature in Windows 11. Start settings. Now here network and internet. Then click on your internet connection. It can be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now click on properties. Now here you will see the option change DNS settings. So click on edit. Select here manually. You can select IP version 4 and here you can add this. Now enter this address at and alternate DNS at dot and 4.4. Then save it. Now exit and restart. So this way you can use the DNS over HTTPS privacy feature in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.